Hey guys, welcome back to Easel Desert Studio. My name is Michelle, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I finally got my missing package, guys. So this video was supposed to be the next video, so this video and the next video are kind of going to be backwards to each other. So this one will come out on New Year's Day, and the other one will come out on the 2nd. So you might, if you watch the video after this, you might be confused because you just seen this. But my neighbor got my package in her box, so she brought it over tonight at supper time. She had just got home. She had been gone, so she hadn't checked her mail, and lo and behold, that's where my package was. So let's get into it. I just broke this part open, and I'll get my scissors and we'll get this cut open. So we are gonna have some fun projects with this stuff. So this was sent to me by Beebeecraft. So thank you, Beebeecraft. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry that the unboxing video was late, but my package was stuck in somebody else's mailbox. So we finally got it, so we're gonna get it open. So if those of you that have a channel, if you didn't know, you can join up with Beebeecraft. I think you have to have, I think it's 200 followers, and I will put the link in the description box, as well as any discount codes. I will also put these molds that I reveal in the description box at on this video. So normally when I get the Beebeecraft, and I'm going to save this bubble wrap because this comes in handy when I'm shipping my stuff. Okay, so, and it's a big long piece. Okay, so first up, I have got this, which is a Honey Handy silicone molds for plant propagation hydroponics. So it says quantity is 1, but there is 2 molds in here. And that was $8.29 as of when I picked these out. So my daughter has been wanting one of these for a while. And I was like, yeah, I don't know. And then when I saw that Beebeecraft had them, I was like, okay, we're getting those. So you have this little plug. So it's a smaller, it's an average size mold. Let me get my handy dandy little tape measure here. So from the inside, we're at almost 4.5 inches on the inside by 4.5, so it's a square. And you put this little plug in between these 2 pieces, so it fits in there snug. You pour your resin, and it leaves a open hole for you to put a test tube down through, so you can put a plant in some water in the test tube. So you get 2 of these. So we're going to definitely be doing these right soon here. And again, that was $8.29. So, and if you join Beebeecraft, you get to pick out $40 worth of molds, and they send them to you for free as long as you do an unboxing video and then 2 other videos demonstrating some of the projects. So, okay, next up is, I have been wanting this one forever. This is the Honey Handy DIY bottle opener silicone mold. So it says you get 1, but there are 3 in here. So let's take these out and see if they are all the same or it's 3 different molds. I'm not sure. It says 1. Oh, that's 2. So yeah, you get 3 of these. The only thing that I don't have is the hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hardware ordered. And when that comes in, we are definitely going to be doing these. These I think would make, you know, great housewarming gifts, or, you know, if you're going to an outdoor cookout or whatever, just like a hostess gift. And I think these will sell at craft fairs, so I'm going to get creative. I might have to dig out my Cricut and put some man sayings on some of these. So yeah. And this one was $13.09 for the 3 of them. So, and this does say it's a 3-piece. Okay, and this one does say it's a 2 set, so you do get the 2. Okay. And this is the next one, which is the Honey Handy DIY photo frame silicone mold. This was $4.13, but you get 3 of these in a pack. So it's 1 pack that has 3 in them. So we're going to open one up. And these are nice and small. You know, sometimes you need something that's smaller for just something little. And these are going to be perfect for that. You know, and this would slide down into that. So you'd have your, you know, your 2 pieces. But you get 3 of these. So, and that was $4.13. So really, really inexpensive. And we have got 2 more. So this one here is a candle mold, which you could use for resin as well. But I'm going to actually make a candle in here. Sorry for the crinkly paper. But look at the inside of this, guys. It is all little daisies, little flowers. So we're gonna make an actual wax candle out of this. So I have my tool to wick the mold, and I have my putty to block the bottom off, but we are going to make a flower candle. Yes, I have been dying to try these. So, and this was, you get 1, and this one was $7.47. And I am going to put a rubber band around it because it is from shipping. It's a little out of round. So I'm thinking if I can, you know, let it stay back in shape. You know, maybe it will. If not, I'll have to prop something up on the side. But this is going to be a beautiful wax candle. So we have got that. I'm just going to put it back in the bag so I don't get glitter and debris and whatever on it. Okay, and then last but not least, these are candle holders too. So these are a little bit smaller than I thought they were, which is fine. And you get 2 molds. You get a wick holder. You get a package of wicks. There's quite a few wicks in here. And these also have flower designs on the outside. I believe they're both different too. Let me see if I can. These are big sunflowers. I don't know if you can see in there, but see how the top look is a sunflower petal, guys. I didn't even notice that when I ordered them. So that is this one. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm thinking these are probably going to be a 2 or a 3 ounce candle. And these ones were, it's the Panda Hall Elite 2-pack 3D flower candle molds. It's a sunflower and a rose, and they were $12.47 when I bought them. Okay, and this one is roses, which I didn't know the top of it was going to be all petals as well. Can you see in there? Look at all the little roses on the top, because this is going to be the top. So I'm going to wick it, we're going to pour them, and then when I demold them, this is how the candle's going to be. So it's going to be all roses, the whole thing, which is going to be perfect with Valentine's Day coming. Now, I have never made these type of candles, so we're just going to have to keep our fingers crossed and hope we don't get little air pockets and whatnot. But we are definitely going to be trying these. So I'm definitely going to be doing a candle video coming up real soon. All right, I'm going to put this one in this way because, you know, you get them out of the bags and then you can't get them back in the bags. So I just want them facing each other so nothing gets in them. So that is my Beebeecraft order. So for $40, I got a ton of stuff. So I've got 3 candle molds. We have got 3 sets of like plate holders. We have got 2 of the test tube flower thingies. So these are going to be really fun because we could decorate them, put stuff in the resin. So the possibilities are endless with this. And then, of course, these. Now, these are actually bigger than I thought they were going to be. They're a good size. And they do have the hole in them for, like, you can put them on a hook. So these are going to be really cool. So I am going to get my hardware and test tubes ordered for these so that we can get these done. And when that stuff comes in, we will be making, I'll do 2 different videos on them, but we'll be definitely doing those. And we're going to be doing the candle molds. So I might have 3 separate videos for Beebeecraft this month because I am anxious to use all of these products. So, guys, have a happy new year. Hopefully, all of you stay healthy, happy, and you have so many blessings in 2025, guys. And I am so grateful that you were here with me to share this experience. I never in a million years would have thought that I would be doing videos on YouTube. Not at almost 61 years old. So, yeah. So, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.